Hi guys, my name is Chas for Aiko06. So today in this video, I am going to show you my familiarization about dinnerware, chinaware, flatware, and glassware. So let's start. So first, I am going to show you a dinnerware and chinaware. So first, I am going to show you an oval plate. This is an egg shape and it can serve for meat, vegetable, bread, and cheese. The next one is the rice bowl. It is used for eating rice, to serve eating rice. Then this is an medium bowl. It can use for putting snacks or heavy appetizer or dipping a sauce. Next one is the large bowl. It can use for putting a noodles or used for mixing a dried ingredients. And after that, I am going to show you the fruit plate. This fruit plate, it can use for putting or serving a fruit. Then next is soy sauce dispenser. So as you can see, this is small type of plate, but this used for serving a sauce or other sauces. And this is the teapot. So as you can see, it has a handle and it has cover. So this teapot used for serving hot water or steeping tea. And then next one is coffee cup with saucer. So this cup used for serving a hot water, coffee, something like that. And this saucer used for protecting the surface for a possible damage from the heat of cup. Then next is soup bowl. So this soup bowl, as you can see, it has two handles, left and right, and it can use for serving soup. Then this is the soup plate. As you can see, it has a concave and deep center, and it has a wide rim, and it can use for serving a soup. And this is the appetizer plate. Appetizer plate is the used for serving appetizers such as fruit, cheese, and so on. Oops. Next is salad plate. Salad plate can be used for serving a salad, and this is the bigger version of a appetizer plate. Next one is the dinner plate. This dinner plate used for eating main course. We also use this commonly in eating main course. And the last one is show plate. It is the used for base for plating of plate. And this is the bigger size or bigger version of a dinner plate. And after that, I am going to show you the flatware, where we can see, or you can see, the types of knives, fork, and spoon. So let's start. So now I'm going to show you the different types of knives and its uses. So first is the dinner knife. This dinner knife can be used for cutting food, especially the soft food like fishes, cooked vegetable, and it can use for moving the food. The next one is the salad knife. It is used for cutting fresh vegetables such as lettuce. And bread knife. This is used for cutting bread or slicing bread. Butter spreader. This is used for spread the butter for bread. And the last one is fruit knife or fruit curve knife. They use for carving fruit. So now I am going to show you the different types of forks and its uses. First one is the serving fork. As you can see, this is a large serving fork and it's usually used for different types of side dish. Then the dinner fork, this is used for the main course. And this is the salad fork. It's usually used for cutting the edges of vegetables. And the last one is the dessert fork. It's usually used for eating of desserts such as sweet dessert. Then after that, I will explain or show the spoon and its uses. First is the serving spoon. This serving spoon, as you can see, it is a large spoon and it can be used for removing the food from main dishes. And the dinner spoon, it's usually used for eating the main course. Then this is the soup spoon. This spoon can use to eat the soup. And this is dessert spoon. Spoon can be used to eat dessert. And the last one is teaspoon. This teaspoon can use for stirring the coffee, tea, or can make use measuring tools. And after that, I am going to explain the different types of glassware and its uses. So let's go. In the glassware, I can show you or share everything about the types of glasses and its uses. So first, this hurricane glass is used for serving of tropical drinks. Next is the Irish coffee. This is a tempered glass mug and it's used for serving Irish coffee, normal coffee, tea, or other hot beverage. Then this is a highball glass. As you can see, it's a tall, so it can serve or it can use for tall cocktails and other drinks or beverages. Next one is the goblet water glass. As you can see, this is a thicker glass and it can use for serve water. And next is the Brandy glass. As you can see, Brandy glass, it has short stem, round bottom bowl, and it is for brandy and cognac. So let's go to the second batch. This is the second batch of glassware. So first, I am going to explain and show you is the Martini glass. It can usually use for serving a martini, and as you can see, it is a V shape. Let's drink. The next is the Poco Grande. Actually, this is big bowl glass. It can usually use for serving a frozen drink with crushed ice. Then we're going to next is this Margarita. It can use primarily in Margarita drink. And this two is white wine and red wine. This for white wine, as you can see, it has small bowl and it can use for and serve for white wine, while red wine, as you can see, it has big bowl, better than this is small bowl, and it is used for serving red wine. So let's go for the batch 3. This is the batch 3 of glassware. So first, I am going to show you a Pilsner glass. This Pilsner glass used for lighter beers such as Pilsner. Then next is this Parfait glass. This Parfait glass is a tall and slender and short stem, and actually it is used for fruit drinks or liqueur with a spirit. This champagne flute glass. It is tall and narrow glass used for serving a champagne. Cheers. Then this is beer mug glasses. Actually, it is a cylindrical shape and used for serving beer. And this is the juice glass. It is a typically glass used for serving juice. And so we are going to discuss about the batch pour glassware. Okay, let's go. And the last part of a glassware. So first we will start this. This is called Decanter Glass. This is used for storing of wine in shorter time. And this is the Granite Glass. It is for drinking of beverage such as whiskey. Then this is the champagne saucer. It is used for serving a champagne or sparkling wines. And this is the sour glass. It's used for drinking sour drink such as whiskey. And next is the water glass. It's typically used for serving for water. And the last one is this shot glass used for a jiggling measurement for making cocktails. So this is the end of my presentation. So I hope you have learned in this video. And again, my name is Jasper Aika Osik, and thank you for watching.